Hey everybody, it's Matt. It's me. And yeah, today I'll be showing you how to make Han Foldo. Now there is a Han Foldo in the back of the book, but this is not the one in the back of the book. This is, I found a way you can do it without having to cut out all the details on it. And you'll have to, the only cutting is the bangs. Now let's get started. Now, to make this, start off with a square. Now this is actually a piece of origami paper. Anyway, here. Fold up from the bottom like this. Give it a good crease. Anyway, okay. Next, you're gonna fold that down. So you should have this. Does it look like Han Foldo yet? Not at all. Flip it over. You're gonna fold it in fold it into thirds like this. Now this next step I'm gonna do is I did not do it on the old one, but I'll do it. It's optional. Pull these points out, and turn them over. We should see this. Round out his head. And next, take these and just pull the points back. So they look less like wings and more like arms, because that's what they are. Now I want to show you, well, the old one we got these bangs. This one we do not have. Now to do that, take your scissors. You're going to shove them under here. I just make a few little, I'll just go along the front, making snips. Now you're gonna draw a face on him. Now, oh whoa, no, oh whoa! Just draw a smiley face, eyes, and a nose. And the last step I want to show you is take your scissors and make a little cut down the middle of his shirt, because then we're gonna make his collar. Just tuck these corners back like this. And there you go. Okay. Oops. Looks like it's banged, that damn it. Well, there you go. Han Foldo. And as always, he works as a finger puppet. Now, I do need to tell you something. It doesn't hurt to take a piece of tape and run it across here. It's going to help it work much easier as a puppet. Well, there you go, Han Foldo. And as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment down below. And may the force be with you, always.